Welcome to week 6. This week is about LAN and WAN. So our topic has been, how does the internet work? Today's lesson is being able to describe the two main types of network the internet is made up of. So some of the things in this lesson. Again, we're going to be recapping about what networks are, and then we're going to look at what LAN and WAN networks are, and then being able to describe them. So some language this week. So LAN, WAN, network, and connected. So let's begin. A recap. A network. A network is two or more computers connected together. We do this to share files and resources. So these networks are very important, and they allow us to share files and to share resources. A network. How data is sent over a network. So last week was about sending data or packets. First of all, our data, here represented by our blue square, is broken down into smaller equal-sized pieces. Each piece is then given an IP address, so this internet address, just like your postcode you have at home. All of the pieces of data are sent through the network, but each packet doesn't necessarily go the same way. Some may go short ways, some may go long ways. It's not always about the shortest route, it is about the quickest route. Generally, it will use parts of networks which haven't got much data on them, just like roads. We always try and find the least busy roads because they make our journeys quicker. Once they get to our device, these packets are then put back together in the right order and then reconstructed to our final piece of data. So what is a LAN? LAN stands for Local Area Network. It is when two or more computers are connected over a local area, i.e. they are close to each other. A good example might be a network inside an office building or inside a school, or your house at home. All of these are local area networks, devices connected to each other in the local area. You need networking equipment to set up a LAN. This comes next week. However, it is generally cheaper to set up and maintain than a WAN, as all equipment is in the same area. So LAN, Local Area Network. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It is still two or more computers connected together. However, this time it is over a much larger area. It could be a country, a continent, or even the whole world. Soon this may be between different planets. Setting up a worldwide wide area network is very expensive. You need lots of specialist equipment like huge lengths of cable, satellites, and radio transmitters. It is also expensive to maintain. Wide area networks are a lot more expensive to maintain than local area networks. Your task this week. Over the next 3 weeks, you'll be creating 3 pages to a magazine. This first page is about what types of networks there are. So LANs and WANs. This week I'd like you to create a 1-page article as the first part of this mini magazine. Set your page size to be A4 and portrait. The page should show what a computer network is. So again, what is a computer network? What is meant by a LAN? What is meant by a WAN? And the advantages and disadvantages of each type of network. Challenge this week. Include: many modern households now have a LAN in them. Make a section that gives some tips for setting up a LAN so that it works quickly for streaming TV and playing games. These are your tasks for this week. An example might look like this. So here we have our definition of network, what a LAN is, and what a WAN is. Remember, these are for a magazine, so let's be creative and try and include lots of colour and things that stand out. Thanks for listening and good luck with your task.